Hello, my name is Curtis Eckerman, and I am a professor at Austin Community College. And my students and I are in a section, or we just completed a section on protists. And one of the things I had the students do was collect pond water samples. And this is a pond water sample that was collected actually behind the school here at the Riverside campus. And while this is not a protist, we found a water bear. And what we're witnessing is the hatching of eggs of water bear eggs, of tardigrades. And our first impression was that this was the female that was giving birth, but upon reading and doing a little background research, this is very likely, the large structure at the bottom is likely the shed of the female, and then the eggs are hatching and they're coming out. Still very, very cool. Don't see this every day. And so this is we've got two of them, two small. You can see them moving around here. These are two small, newly hatched tardigrades. And as we go along, you're going to continue to see a few more of tardigrade come out. And in fact, we're seeing one now starting to come out the back end here. And it will fully emerge here shortly. But again, the tardigrades in their reproduction, typically what happens is the female. Well, different species have different strategies. Some species are dioecious, that is, they have both sexes. Some are asexual. In this case, this is probably a dioecious species. The female leaves her eggs in her molt, and then the male will come along and fertilize them later. And I think that's what we are seeing now, as we're seeing the result of that development. And that's why earlier we saw this specimen, or I saw a water bear earlier, and it was definitely not translucent like this earlier. So I suspect again that this is the shed, and that these are eggs that are hatching and that are coming out of that shed. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. It's just going to continue to watch these young develop. Towards the end, you'll see kind of the body wall of this shed kind of rupture as well. So that's again why I suspect that we're not looking at actually a live mother, but instead the shed with the eggs in it. Enjoy!